The equivalent of I want to in Tswana is ke ba tla go. The following are examples of the I want to statements in Setswana. Ke ba tla go tsamaya. I want to go. Ke ba tla go bona. I want to see. Ke ba tla go tshameka. I want to play. Ke ba tla go utlwa. I want to hear. Ke ba tla go reetsa. I want to listen. Ke ba tla go reka. I want to buy. Ke ba tla go itse. I want to know. Ke ba tla go baka. I want to bake. Ke ba tla go leka. I want to try. Ke ba tla go apaya. I want to cook. Now, to carry on the lesson, you can go to the video list of verbs in Setswana and choose any set of verbs you can work with regarding the I want to statement. I would suggest these ones for now. Xoxa, converse. Bula, open. Thusa, help. Kopa, plead. Goa, screen.